Hi, this is Skylar Roberts, and this is my visual analysis project. This ad is for men is effective in reaching its target audience through the use of color, font, layout, and rhetorical appeals. My ad was found after researching commercial advertisements on Google. The ad is by the company L'Oreal Paris. On the side is my MLA citation for this ad. Elements of the ad. The audience of the advertisement is to reach business owners and men in leadership roles. The purpose of this ad is to encourage businesses to hire more women in leadership roles while trying to promote their makeup products. When making this ad, the producer uses lots of key techniques to help draw attention to L'Oreal's products and message. In this ad, the color red is used to help capture your attention and passion to the product. Within the ad, there is lots of space between all the elements, allowing for the products and words to be drawn attention to first. Makeup products are focused in the center of the ad, while the words "This ad is for men" is the largest font on the page, allowing for this to stand out among the smaller fonts. While I was researching for my ad, this is what made this particular ad stand out to me. Rhetorical appeals. Ethos. L'Oreal is a well-known global cosmetic company that is originated out of Paris, France. The company is well known for their many renowned products. The company has been around since July of 1909. With this in mind, the company has had many years of experience in the business, giving this ad credibility for what L'Oreal has created. Pathos. The emotion is created that women should be encouraged to push themselves into harder jobs as they can benefit companies more. This emotion can allow for women to share the ad, allowing for their business and L'Oreal's idea to spread. Logos. In the ad, there is a lot of statistics to help emphasize the need for women in leadership roles. Instead of using a graph, L'Oreal uses their lipstick product to show the relationship. Within the ad, it states that with a quota of 30% of women, there is 15% increase in profitability. This use of statistics helps the company get their message across that women should be hired in leadership positions.